In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Manus AI account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can remove your account confidently and without confusion. First, open your web browser and go to Manus.ima app. Make sure you're signed in to the exact account you want to delete. Before moving on, take a moment to think about anything you might want to keep. If there's content or settings you may need later, save or export them now. And if you're on a paid plan, consider canceling any active subscriptions ahead of time, so you don't get charged after deletion. Once you're in the app, head to your profile. You'll typically find it by clicking your profile picture or avatar, often in the top right corner of the interface. This opens your personal area, where you can access your preferences and account tools. If you don't immediately see it, hover over your avatar or look for a label that says Profile. Inside your profile area, click on Settings. This is where Manus AI keeps the controls for how your account behaves. Settings may be listed in a menu or sidebar. If the menu collapses on smaller screens, expand it to reveal all options. Within Settings, choose Account. The Account section focuses on your identity, login, and core account preferences, which is where the deletion option ultimately lives. Taking this route helps ensure you're adjusting the correct account level controls rather than just changing app preferences. Next, select Edit Profile. This might feel a bit unexpected, but Manus AI places the delete option within the profile editing area. Think of Edit Profile as the hub for major changes tied to your user identity, including removal. Now, click Delete Account. When you do, you'll likely see a warning or confirmation prompt explaining that deletion is permanent and cannot be undone. Read the message carefully so you understand what will be removed. If you're sure, confirm the deletion. After you confirm, you may be signed out right away, and your account will be scheduled for removal. Depending on the platform's policies, some processes can take a short time to complete, so don't be surprised if access ends immediately while background cleanup continues. If something doesn't look right, like you can't find the buttons mentioned, try refreshing the page or checking that you're on the correct account. Also, make sure you have a stable internet connection to complete the process without interruptions. That's it. You've successfully navigated to Profile, opened Settings, entered Account, selected Edit Profile, and finalized Delete Account. Thanks for watching, and take care.